Hey YouTube, this is Unprepper1. We have a lot of things we prep for, but one thing we need to prepare for is the little things that can happen with any crisis. Taking, our toilet and our waste disposal for granted a lot of times. And some of you might say, well, Dave, if it really crap hits the fan, or SHTF, I'm not worried about these little things. But if we go into a Venezuela or Argentina, and now it could be, we can be putting the country of Turkey in there, problems. Little things are going to be important. Do you guys stock things to keep your toilet running? You might be on a septic system, you might be on, public sewer, but there's a lot of things. And when you got a toilet problem, a leak in a toilet, it ain't working right, a clogged pipe, it affects your life drastically. So, are you putting stuff back? The little things, the hardware stuff. All kinds of things go into your toilet, and if something fails and it's leaking, you got to shut the water off. If that's your only bathroom, it causes a problem. So, start putting some hardware stuff back. A lot of the stuff is made in China, made in Mexico. Some of the stuff is made in the U.S. What they do is they call it assembled. So a lot of the parts are foreign made, probably China. These are just a few things. I got a whole file cabinet full of plumbing things. My goal is to be able to fix anything that I own plumbing-wise without having to go to the store. Wax seals. I've gone with this wax seal. I've never used it, but it's actually not wax. It's a rubberized product, so it's going to last a lot longer than these. And if you're going to store the wax seal, store it under good condition, not in a very hot environment. Don't throw it in your garage so it gets real hot. So there's a lot of things. Supply lines, all kinds of plumbing parts. This is just a sample of what you need to put back. You might say, Dave, I don't waste my money on this. If your parts go and you can't get them for any reason, from just more logistical problems to a true SHTF, I want my toilet working. I'm on a septic system, so mine's going to work for a long time. I don't have to worry about it. I control it. And talking about septic systems, do you know where your septic is? Dig down, find your container, find your lid, unscrew it, look what's happening. You might need to get it pumped out. Around here, it's about $300 to pump your septic tank, but it's very important. Do you have a plan in case crap hits the fan and you can't call the guy with the pump truck? What is your plan? I do. I will dig a huge hole. If I have to, I'll dig it by hand, and I use one of my 2-inch pumps, and I can pump it out and then put it into a hole and cover it up. That's called a lot of work. It's not the best situation. Yeah, you could have some leakage, but if you put it far away from your well, you're going to be okay. It's definitely not code, but this is worst case event. If you're in the city, you might have a problem if the pumps go down at the lift stations that pumps the sewer higher. If that's the case, and if you're downhill, your house is going to become a large septic tank. It will back up. Do you have a plan to shut this off? You can do a lot of things, especially if you got new construction. Put a shut off in there, put a plug in there. You need to be thinking about that, cutting the pipe, and they make plugs for 4-inch. You might need to think about this seriously. You do not want your toilets backing up every time your neighbors flush their toilet if you're on a city waste, because that's what's going to happen if the pump stations can't work. So address it now and start putting back the little things. Plus, it's neat. If something breaks, you don't have to run the store. You can go to your file cabinet, open it up, pull out what you need, and get it fixed immediately, and then replace it. Also, my philosophy, I'm going to be a hardware store in SHTF. I literally am putting common things back that I use here and putting the extras. So if I have people that need something, I can say, yep, I can take care of you. I can either use that as a free charity to a friend, or I can use it as, hey, what do you got to trade? I need something. So start thinking about the little things, and these hardware things for your toilet are little, and we don't think about them, but I think it make a load of difference in a worst case event. Thanks for watching.